Good morning, problem solvers. We are going to do a problem solving activity today. Mathematicians are problem solvers. By the end of this lesson, I'll be able to decide if a number story is asking me to add or subtract. Math message. So you need something to write on and write with. Something to write on and write with. Go ahead and pause and you can get that. Okay, for our math message, we're going to use partial sums addition. If you remember, it's using expanded form to add our numbers together. So we're going to do 20 plus 9 and 40 plus 2. And then you can add down. So go ahead and work on that problem. I'll give you a moment if you'd like to pause. Okay, 9 plus 2 equals 11. 40 plus 20 equals 60. So now we have 60 plus 11 equals 71. So 29 plus 42 equals 71. Is that the answer that you got? Awesome. I can solve a math number story. Problem solvers think I will read this 2 times. So I'm going to read this 2 times. Mr. Brummett ate 13 red M&Ms. Mrs. Brummett ate 18 green M&Ms. How many M&Ms did they eat in all? I'll read it again. Mr. Brummett ate 13 red M&Ms. Mrs. Brummett ate 18 green M&Ms. How many M&Ms did they eat in all? What do I know? I know that Mr. Brummett ate 13 red. I know that Mrs. Brummett ate 18 green. What don't I know? I don't know how many they ate in all. What does this problem want me to figure out? It wants me to figure out how many M&Ms did they eat in all. It wants me to figure out this whole part. What is my operation? It says in all, and I have one part, and I have the other part, and I'm looking for my whole or my total. So it wants me to add them together. It wants to know how many they had in all, how many they had together. What strategy will I use? Well, my number model is going to be 13 plus 18 equals question mark. And the strategy that Mrs. Bryant is going to use, I think I'd like to use base 10. So I'm going to draw 13, and I'm going to draw 18. Okay, so I'm going to add my ones. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to cross them all out except for 1. I'm going to cross out 10 of them and add another 10. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 31. Mr. Brummett ate 13 red M&Ms. Mrs. Brummett ate 18 green M&Ms. How many M&Ms did they eat in all? So I read it 2 times. Check. I wrote that I know that Mr. Brummett ate 13 and Mrs. Brummett ate 18. I didn't know how many they ate in all. They wanted me to figure out how many in all. I used addition. My number model was 13 plus 18 equals question mark. And I used base 10 to solve. So what you're going to do is we're working on telling how you solved a problem. So first, I knew that Mr. Brummett ate 13 red M&Ms and Mrs. Brummett ate 18 green M&Ms. Next, I needed to find out how many they ate in all. The number model is 13 plus 18 equals question mark. I used the base 10 strategy. So I know that they ate 31 M&Ms in all. So you're explaining how you got your answer, what you did with the problem to solve your answer. So here's yours. Orlando ate 27 red M&Ms. Aaron ate 15 M&Ms. How many fewer M&Ms did Aaron eat? I'm going to read it 2 times. Orlando ate 27 red M&Ms. Aaron ate 15 M&Ms. How many fewer M&Ms did Aaron eat? What do I know? This is where you come in. What do you know? What don't you know? What does this problem want you to figure out? What is my operation? What is my number model? So am I adding or subtracting? What's my number model? Remember, your number model should have a question mark because there's something that you don't know. What strategy are you going to use? And then you're going to explain how you found your answer. You can do this on a blank piece of paper. Totally fine. The question is on Canvas, and I also have this explain how you found your answer page on Canvas. Thank you so much for meeting with me, problem solvers. I can't wait to see how you solved your problem.